I recently read a study that said 87% of people that have jobs are just not happy. If that statement resembles you, why is that? Is it because you're burned out on a profession that no longer brings you joy? Is it because you're tired of commuting to a workplace environment that's depressing only to take orders from somebody that you don't respect? Is it because you're working too many hours and you're not having the time to spend with your family or check items off your bucket list? Or is it because you're building somebody else's dream and not your own? Or maybe it's because you started your own business, but you made a job out of it and it's not fun anymore. Or do you have a job or a business inside of you that you want to share with the world, but you just don't know how to get it out there? Well, if that is the case for you, and you would be more excited to get out of bed in the morning if you're doing something you actually loved, then I want to invite you to my Your True Purpose Business Formula workshop and seminar that's starting up this fall. And in this seminar, we're going to look at things like I just talked about. So what would it be worth to you if you could actually find your true purpose in life and weave that into your professional life in a way that got you out of bed every morning so that you were excited? And what would it be worth to you to actually design your life the way you wanted it so that you had time for your family, so that you weren't burned out? And what would it be worth to you to actually speak the things inside of you that maybe have been there for many years? Well, you may not know exactly what your true purpose is even yet in life. So in the course, that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to have a module on discovering your true purpose and have a process through looking at your life story where we can actually get down and dirty and figure out what that is if you don't have clarity on it. So what would it be worth to you to have clarity on your life's purpose? How would that get you out of bed in the morning? And next, we're going to look at creating a vision for you with some goals that takes you from here to there so you can accomplish that vision in your lifetime. And then we're going to look at how to package your gifts and talents into a business that you are excited about, and you know who your ideal customer is, and you know what message you want to speak to them. And then we're going to package up how are you going to market that to those ideal customers and enroll them in your vision for them and your vision for the world. So if that is appealing to you, I would encourage you to check out my workshop, and I'd love to see you on the inside. We're going to have a lot of fun this fall and then have a live workshop in January in Austin, Texas, and I'd love to meet you. If what I said to you just now inspired you, it's because most of my life has been working on discovering what is my true purpose. And now that I've done that and formed my own business and doubled my income and on track to double it again, I want to invite you to my workshop and seminar so I can share the things that I've learned over the last couple of years that you can apply them to your life. Discover your true purpose, go out and change the world, have a lot of fun doing it, and make more money than you're making right now in your job. So again, if that's appealing to you, then check out my course and workshop at the button on this page. And I'd love for you to join us online this fall and then live in January in Austin, Texas. We're going to have a great time, learn a bunch of new things, and transform your life from where it is today to the possibility that is you.